Hello, and thank you for joining us today for BIMagination, From 3D to 5D, brought to you by the Green Building Research Institute. My name is Felicia Fuller, and I will be the moderator for today's webinar. Now for the course description. Is there a fifth dimension when it comes to green building design, construction, and operation? Building Information Modeling, or BIM, uses sophisticated software to project how a building functions and not just how it looks. From 3D to 4D, or time, and 5D, or cost, BIM enables designers and project teams to model various building elements, components, and configurations to achieve optimal energy usage and green building functionality. Many believe BIM will become standard practice for building green at some point in the future. It produces the greatest advantage when the entire project team is involved at the design phase by enabling team members to assess inputs and outputs as modeling intelligence grows with each modeling iteration. BIM can also be used to monitor and assess building operations once occupied. This course looks at how BIM is being utilized by the design, construction, and operation professionals to embrace sustainability. The course also looks at BIM case studies in which modeling software and strategies have been used in real-world projects. Today's course has been developed and presented by several BIM experts. Naresh Kala, PMP, and Lead AP has over 7 years of work experience with extensive knowledge covering a wide range of topics including project management, cost estimating, project controls, scheduling, real estate development, finance, building information modeling, sustainability design and execution, and LEED certification. Currently, Naresh is based out of New York and working as a project manager for Halliburton. Eugene Ninny, PE, AIA, and LEED AP has over 32 years of practical experience in financing, construction management, engineering, architecture, and municipal and public works. Eugene has the expertise to improve any organization's bottom line. His talents include due diligence consulting, commercial real estate, residential and commercial development, project management, and planning and zoning. Currently, Eugene is based out of Nevada and is the managing principal and CEO for CTE VB-MIS Group. Anand Gupchaiv has over 7 years of work experience with extensive knowledge in 3D and 4D modeling, design models, or shop models coordination, micro BIM and macro BIM estimation, developing and monitoring BIM execution plans, as-built BIM submittals, COBie, software evaluation, personal training, R&D on new construction technologies, BIM processes and software. Currently, Anand is based out of Texas and is the BIM manager at Uri's Contracting. Jeslyn Vargas, Director of Sustainability, holds a degree in civil engineering and a graduate degree in construction management from Texas A&M University. Originally from India, he is uniquely positioned to bring an Eastern perspective and marry it with Western education and business strategies. Jeslyn is a Lead AP with specialty in building design and construction, and operation and maintenance, and is also a project management professional. An avid believer in sustainability, Jeslyn brings enormous talent and engineering experience from the many green residential and commercial building projects he has worked on in both the U.S. and overseas. At GBRI, Jeslyn teaches courses on energy efficiency, water efficiency, LEED v4, exam prep, and manages project experience sessions. Jessica Kubina, Director of U.S. Operations and Education, holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Architecture from the University of Texas at San Antonio. Based out of the San Antonio office, she manages several education and research projects, including the Green Barcode Project. In addition to customer service and marketing, she also manages our CRM and certifications team. She works closely with all our instructors to deliver and produce the courses. In addition, she also manages LEED project experience sessions. In her free time, she enjoys spending time with family and helping nonprofit projects.
4D modeling is the development of a project model that includes process model, project visualization, CMP scheduling, and construction simulation. Now, 5D modeling is the building modeling method that shows project cost and cost distribution. The BIM method offers a very efficient and automated communication platform for the building industry. By using the BIM model in practice, the architect will not be the only beneficiary of a virtual project. The owner and all the members of the project team will also benefit. With BIM, detailed information about each building component is contained within its modeled element. BIM allows all team members easy access to information such as power consumption and weight to verify if the building element in question will be compatible with the components of a building for which they're responsible for. As I mentioned on the previous slide, building modeling improves over 2D drafting by allowing designers to view the building and its contents from all angles and revealing problems at earlier stages to allow for correction without costly change orders. Sections, elevations, and three-dimensional views can be created instantly, reducing the need for check plots. Here on screen is another example of how visualization is being used for conflict analysis. These conflicts, once again, would go unnoticed during the design stage and may result in costly changes or change orders in the future. One of the last ways in the process a BIM is used in a project is with an FM tool or software. This, like mentioned before, can help visualize things a facility manager needs to understand when maintaining the building. Here are examples of one of these tools that communicate the energy of a building. It can also drill down to the equipment level and alert a user if a piece of equipment is not functioning properly. Now, since this is only a 2-hour course, I won't be able to review all of the programs that I've shown you on the previous list, but I'd like to focus on some of the more popular programs that are being used in the current market for building information modeling. With that being said, we've narrowed down the Revit, ArchiCAD, MicroStation, and Vectorworks all have very similar main features. If you take a look at the list of features on the slide, a user can achieve all of these features in any of these 4 programs in some way or another. The program of choice really boils down to the preference of the user.